Hello friends, I want to tell syllabus of prelims UPSC examinations. So you all have to inform about civil services prelims examinations and their syllabus in details. First of all, I want to say that the prelims consist of two things, GS and CSET papers. Both papers are equals 200 marks, and each papers is objective type. And I want to explain general studies papers once, in which current events of national and international importance, history of India's and Indian national movement, Indian and world geographies, physical, social, economic geography of India and the world, Indian polity and governance, constitutions, political system, Panchayati Raj, public policies, right issues, etc. are included. Economics and social development, sustainable development, poverties, inclusions, demographics, social sector initiative, etc. are included. General issues on environmental, ecologies, biodiversity of change, climate change that do not require subject specializations. And the last, general science are included in UPSC prelims examinations for GS papers. Then I want to explain the GS part 2 of the prelims examination, which is known as CSET, Civil Services Aptitude Test examinations, which is 200 marks, and the paper durations is 2 hours, in which comprehensions, interpersonal skills including communication skills, logical reasoning and analytical abilities, decisions making and problem solving, general mental abilities, basic numeracy, numbers and their relations under of orders of magnitude, etc., which is class 10 levels are included, in which the charts, graphs, tables and data sufficiencies, etc. are asked. The next, English language comprehensions, which contains up to the 10th level. And the last, the things in which included are these all types of questions are basically asked for communication skills in English aptitudes and the candidates civil services aptitude test. How candidates should be eligible in GS and CSET papers is all determines on their hard workings and their smart mind. We can easily find out the answers within the questions, because most of the questions are tricky and are asked due to the purpose for a candidate's civil services aptitude. So all these are included in UPSC prelims examinations. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.